Hello friends, welcome to Free Writing Lessons. This is the second part in the series of paragraph writing. In this video, we will learn how to write a paragraph on the topic overpopulation. So without a further go, let's get started. But before that, let's quickly remember what we learned previously. We learned a template of paragraph which can be used to write any paragraph. There are 5 steps involved in it. First one is define the topic of the paragraph. Second one is explain the problem we are currently facing. Third one is to provide the solution to resolve the problem. Fourth one is to state the benefits of the solution. And the fifth one is to conclude the paragraph in a positive way. Please remember these 5 steps while writing any paragraph. Now we will apply this template for our topic, which is on overpopulation. The paragraph is on overpopulation. Now what is the first step? The first step is to define what exactly overpopulation is. Here you have to specify what overpopulation is all about. You can write in this way. Overpopulation is an unpleasant stage where the number of people is more than the holding capacity of the land. Let's look into the second step, which is problem. Explain the problem that we are currently facing due to overpopulation. It may include poverty, pollution, scarcity of natural resources, and so on. So you can write in this way. Due to the constant increase in population, there are serious challenges the world is facing. This mainly includes scarcity of natural resources, increase in pollution, rise in unemployment, increase in poverty, and an increase in the price of basic essential elements of life. Now we have addressed the problem, let's look into the third step, which is solution. To curb this problem, we can take several measures, but the most important change that can be done is educating people. Government and literate individuals should take measures to increase the literacy rate. Now we have stated the solution. Let's look into the fourth step, which is the benefit of it. Here you have to state the potential benefits of education to overcome overpopulation. We stated the problem like scarcity of natural resources, increase in pollution, rise in unemployment, increase in poverty. Education can reduce these issues. So we can write the benefits in this way. If the people are more literate, they will understand the potential problem they have to face if the family planning is not done prior. Trend shows that wherever there is increase in literacy rate, population growth of that area has come down. After explaining the potential benefits of it, let's look into the fifth and final step, which is conclusion. We must try to conclude in a positive note. Here, all the points that we discussed prior must be combined and a common point needs to be addressed. We can write the conclusion in this way. If we can have a mass literacy movement drive across the nation, then we can decrease the potential threats of overpopulation and many other problems associated with it. Combining all 5 steps, the final paragraph is like this. Overpopulation is an unpleasant stage where the number of people is more than the holding capacity of land. Due to the constant increase in population, there are serious challenges the world is facing. This mainly includes scarcity of natural resources, increase in pollution, rise in unemployment, increase in poverty, and increase in the price of basic essential elements of life. To curb this problem, we can take several measures, but the most important change that can be done is educating people. Government and literate individuals should take measures to increase the literacy rate. If the people are more literate, they will understand the potential problem they have to face if the family planning is not done prior. Trend shows from the past decade that wherever there is an increase in literacy rate, population growth of that area has come down. The government should invest more in the education sector for upliftment of poor. If we can have a mass literacy movement drive across the nation, then we can decrease the potential threats of overpopulation and many other problems associated with it. You can see how well structured the paragraph has become after following the 5 steps. That's all about paragraph writing in this video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this video. We saw the template of paragraph writing, which we also used in our previous video. This template includes 5 steps. First is to define the topic, second, explain the problem, third, state the solution, fourth, state the potential benefits of applying the solution, and fifth, conclude in a positive note. Then we applied this template on the topic overpopulation. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions related to the lesson, or you want to provide any suggestion, or you want to add extra lessons on this topic, please write in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share the video so others can learn, and do subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon to get regular updates about the course.